We're focused on warmth right now, but we actually need to be focused on getting some food or something.
I brought one thing that might help. It's an auger.
Fun fact,
Near our camp is a frozen ice sheet over a lake. So we're gonna use this auger to drill a hole and try to catch some fish. But before we head out, we have to see how Chandler's doing.
It looks better. The color's coming back.
me and Hayes need to go get food, so who's gonna take over doctor duty while we're gone?
I can make sure he's okay.
Thanks, Nolan, for doing this.
You're welcome, buddy.
Let's go see if we can catch some fish. Good luck. Later, boys. Hey, Nolan, take care of Chandler. We'll work on the shelter. Guys, be safe. Don't die on us. Let's aim for one of those dark spots over there. Okay, maybe the ice will be thinner. Ooh, it's cold.
It's so windy.
So the walk back with the wind in our face is gonna suck.
All right, right there, right here.
Wait, get a shot of this, Harris? This shows? I'm not joking when I say we are literally camping on ice.
Are we gonna fall through?